Hello guys, this is Mario
and Andre
with University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department, and today we're going to show you how to make backcountry pizza. So today we're actually going to show you how to make two recipes. I'll be showing you how to make backcountry cooked pizza,
and I'll be showing you how to make backcountry no-cook pizza.
Alright, let's get it.
We're going to start with about half a cup of instant pizza crust mix, where we're going to then add warm water to the mixture until it reaches a pancake-like batter consistency. And we're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll pour our batter into our pan and spread it evenly. Once our dough is prepared, we can turn on our burner. Remember, fire before fuel. We're going to set our burner low so we don't burn the bottom of our pizza. Next, you'll add your pizza sauce, cheese, and whatever shelf toppings you like. I went with mushrooms and peppers.
Our no-cook pizza is going to start with a simple tortilla. We'll add some sauce, cheese, pepperoni, and then roll it up, and you've got lunch.
Let's check up on our pizza. This meal requires a little extra work, but it's worth every bit of it. Once on the trail, it's hard to come by a local pizza shop, so this backcountry pizza is the next best thing.
Alright guys, this has been it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video.
If you haven't already, go check out the rest of our videos on our social media platform.
This has been Mario
And this has been Andre
with the University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department.
Thanks for watching.